Hi there, my name is Taylor Lane and I'm so excited to showcase the Delray Beach Market today. The Delray Beach Market is located right off of Atlantic Avenue, so if you're in downtown Delray, I highly recommend you come and check it out. Delray Beach Market is the largest food hall in South Florida with over 25 vendors, with each offering their own authentic cuisine. We have everything from Lebanese to Peruvian to burgers and more. The Delray Beach Market showcases entertainment such as live music, games, and special events. There's fun for everyone. Come enjoy sip and paint, a mozzarella making class with our vendor Cellar and Pantry, princess party meet and greets on the weekend, and so much more. Come visit the Delray Beach Market for breakfast, lunch, or dinner and experience authentic South Florida and international cuisine only in the Palm Beaches.